Hey everyone, I'm back out in the woods again today, hunting an area that has some Civil War history on it. So I haven't found nothing period yet, but I did hit a signal here. I'm hunting with a Garret ECT today, and I just dug a hatchet. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll keep that and put a handle in it. Good find, good find. Alright guys, I'll get you back out and find something else. Hey everyone, I'm back. I was going along and hit a signal here, and out pops a old pocket knife. It's not that old, but it's a knife. Cool. Cool find. I'll take it home with me. Alright guys, nothing period yet, but this area here has had some decent finds in here in the past, so I'm going to keep on trying. I'll get you back out if I find something. Hey everyone, I'm back. I've been hunting down next to this rock wall right here. I always have good luck around rock walls. And I went on, and 2 inches in the ground, I got this piece of metal, and it has an A and BODY on it. So I don't know what that is. I have to look that up later. But pretty cool. It's a relic. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to take lunch, so I'll get you back out if I find something else. Hey everyone, I'm back. I was heading back over to my bag to take some lunch, and my detector hit another target here. Right there is exactly where I dug that BODY piece of metal. And then right here, I hit this. And I'm still next to the rock wall. And I hit this piece about, I don't know, 4 inches, I guess, in the ground. I don't have a clue on what this is. It's made out of a pretty decent metal. It's not iron. It's pretty cool though. Another relic out of this home site. Love it. Alright guys, maybe I'll get to take lunch here if I don't keep hitting targets. Talk at you later. Everyone, I'm back. Let's see here. I hit a pretty decent target that blew my ears out here, and it's a buckle. Some kind of buckle. A little bent up, but might be the way it's curved like that. It looks like it might be a shoe buckle. That's sweet. That'll be the second one I found here so far. That's sweet. Good target. Love it. I got about 3 more hours here tonight before I pack out of here, and I'll get you back out if I find something else. Go on, bud. Go on, he's cold. There he goes. I'll go around the other way.